This is an event unlike any other.
It's not just the credit, it's the content. Going deep with one of the top producers in the Portland metro area and in all of Oregon on how he actually goes to the listing appointment, how he shows up ready to win that listing. Talking about new construction, land development. Vendors come in to talk about inspection issues such as mold, radon, sewer tanks. A top producer panel with top producers from around our company bringing valuable content about the challenges that they dealt with as new agents to all of the things that they're employing now to succeed in their business.
It starts with the venue. It is such a fun, centrally located, cool venue. I come here all the time, and it's so fun for me to be here in a big room with all of my peers at that same special place. I'm literally standing here in a hall, and there's a dinosaur behind me. There's the moon right there on the wall, and there's rockets over here. Beyond that, it's just well thought out. It's well designed. It has great food. It has a fun happy hour afterwards. And then, of course, most important of all, it has quality content, great speakers who spend weeks and weeks and months on their presentations, on the slide decks, on rehearsing to make sure that they do not disappoint anyone of the hundreds of people in the audience.
We've got people here from all over the state and Washington. And you guys have heard me say this many times before with just our regular company sales meeting, but this is like that on overdrive. There's 300 people sitting in this room learning, collaborating, networking.